Hey guys, today we're learning Lua again. So basically we're going to be doing Pong 1 today. So let's go to here and here. So you just need to go to Pong, create another folder called Pong 1. So then you copy main from over here and you paste it into Pong 1 and then push. Push is basically push is basically a directory that's on GitHub. If you want, you can download it. So I just go, like, the link is in the GitHub folders. So I will just go to GitHub and show it to you guys. So I go all the way back to Pong 1 main. So the link to push is this. If you guys want, I'll leave the link in the description. And yeah, you just download it. So the differences that you have to make. So main. So first you have to put push equals required push. Then you have to add a virtual height and a virtual width. Basically, this is a low res update. Like when Pong was around, there wasn't really high definition screens in the arcade game machines, so they had low res. But when you scale up or scale down an image in Lua or Love 2D, it automatically blurs it so that you can't see the pixels. But when you use push, which is what we're using now, it makes sure that it's not blurred and you can see it properly as pixelated. So yeah, love.graphics.set default filter nearest. And then for setup screen, you're gonna no, this is push colon setup screen, and you use virtual width, virtual height, window width, and window height. So this will make it the actual window width and window height on your screen, but the resolution will look like the virtual width and virtual height. That's how this works. So same statistics as last time. And this function is so if you run this, then you click escape, it's done. It'll exit automatically. So that's what love.event.quit does. It exits the game. Key equals escape. So basically, if you press escape, it quits. And then love.drop. And also, what function love.prepress does. Basically, whenever you press a key, it calls this and it passes in the keys. And when you need to check what key it is, you just use strings. And push apply start. What this does, it makes the text, it makes it pixelated. Makes all the things that have been drawn pixelated. Otherwise, it would be blurry, like I said. So then you write hello Pong, virtual height, virtual width. When you're not using push, you don't have to put virtual height, virtual width. But since we're using push.apply, we have to do virtual height, virtual width. So if I run this, 1 second. I just need to go all the way down. Wait a minute. No, I have it here. Okay, never mind. Then I click love. See, the text is pixelated, which it wouldn't be if we hadn't used push. So that's what push does. Hope you enjoyed. Again, link to push will be down in the description below. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Be back tomorrow for some more videos on information and programming.